everybody, thank you for clicking this video. Today I'll be showing you how I make my vegan sweet potato tortillas. So you're going to start off by baking your potato at 400 degrees for approximately 50 minutes. However much potato you measure, you make sure you have the same amount of flour. I use Badia Complete Seasoning, a half a teaspoon of it, as well as some cayenne pepper for a little bit of a kick. You're going to combine all of your ingredients in a large mixing bowl. And the great thing about this recipe is that it's completely customizable. Make it what you like, whatever seasonings you prefer. And you can also make it sweet for a dessert as well. So make sure you combine all of your seasonings and make sure that they're well distributed. And then you're going to have a dough like this. You're going to transfer that dough to a well-floured surface and then begin to roll it out. And once you do that, you can carve out your first tortilla shape and separate the rest of the dough from it. And then roll that shape out into the thickness that you desire. That's what I love about making your own. It is completely yours. This is the thickness that I liked. It's very thin and it yielded some great tortillas, as you'll see. So I used an electric skillet at 300 degrees, but you can also use a skillet over the stove. I just like this because it keeps the same temperature for even cooking. Just make sure if you're on the stove, it's not too hot. You don't want to burn them. So you do them a couple minutes on each side and then you flip it over. And this is how they turn out. I absolutely loved how they came out, and they taste so much better than any of the ones you can get from the store. Like I said, they're completely customizable. Do with this recipe what you will. Just make sure your sweet potato and flour ratio are equal. Okay, so equal measurements of both. And you can use them for anything. You can also cut these up and make some tortilla chips with some homemade salsa or guacamole. Just have fun with it, you guys. I just appreciate you clicking on this video. And stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn on your bell notifications just so that you know whenever I upload another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you all soon.